warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zuni and I am so happy to welcome you here. I am an online Quran tutor with a passion for helping children and sisters of all ages connect with the Book of Allah with love, patience, and confidence. Whether your child is just beginning with Qaida, learning Tajweed, or working on fluency in Quran recitation, I offer gentle and structured lessons tailored to every student's pace and style. I use interactive slides, stories, and visuals, and I always aim to make learning fun and stress free, especially for my little learners. I have been blessed to teach students from UK, USA, and Pakistan, Alhamdulillah. And what my students love most is how we build a bond of trust and how they enjoy coming to class. So, whether you are a parent looking for a loving teacher for your child or a sister wanting to improve your own recitation, I am here for you, inshallah. I offer one-to-one classes, flexible timings, and a free trial session so we can get to know each other. Just reach out to me through Teacher on website or message me directly to book your free trial today. Jazakumullah khairan for watching, and I look forward to learning with you or your child very soon, inshallah. And don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe if you would like to see more Quran learning content from me in the future. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.